So first of all, when you would like to optimize your online advertising, you should find a creative customer hook. So see this data, our attention span is just 8 seconds. And that is how we attract towards particular advertisement. So according to a Microsoft case study, the attract potential customers' attention, you should be ready to write captivating and clear headlines to hook them fast. So this is used by all the newspaper advertiser and marketing advertisers, and even nowadays the digital advertiser. So first and more important is the creative customers look has to be designed if you want to optimize your advertising. So how you can do is that you can use powerful words. You might have seen on advertisement the big letter words. Second comes the benefits, very in limited way. First, because the powerful words attract it fast, then they will proceed it to the benefits. Then comes add a sense of urgency. Okay, they need to purchase it as an urgency kind of thing. Keep ads current with the current market trend. Include a CTA, that is call to action operation, and then analyze to find out what works best. Okay, so these are the things which has to be taken care whenever you are optimizing your online advertising. And moving to the second point, add eye-catching visuals. So obviously you all goes to market. Okay, that is wherever you see the banners that will catch your eye. Okay, but when you're working with the online digital marketing and online advertising play, so eye-catching plays an important role, and it's a totally visual thing. Okay, so people are 80% more likely to read content with images. Okay, the image plus the content both should be included. To hook potential customer, choose visual that might be interesting for your target audience and make them want to click it. Okay, and pay attention to the colors, size, and fonts. The importance of color and size and fonts, we have already studied this in our last semester, especially in retail marketing, how color plays an important role. So every color provokes various emotions. Okay, different color plays a different impact. So choose it depending on the context your messages. Sizes, yes, matters a lot. Choose the size according to the online advertising type which you are using it. And font, selecting the right font is important. So learn about the best font to use in advertisement. You can access it and you can check it. So how eye-catching colors works and sizes works and fonts use. And this is the typical, the different type of the visuals you can use. And these are used in online also. You have seen all these type of banners. Okay, full banner, pop perpendicular, half banner, leaderboard, vertical banner, medium rectangle, button two, okay, vertical rectangle. And these all you have already seen in your online advertising whenever you are visiting any websites. Okay, so no matter what type of visual content you choose, whether photos, images, or video, try to make it eye-catching. That plays an important role over there. And next thing is video. So if you are an aspiring marketer, you can learn from top brands to understand what usually gets more clicks. Okay, especially whenever you are making an videos on, especially on advertisement base, and that too online. So you have to work with the top brands and how they work on it, and how the within a short period of time, how precisely they explain the communication they want to communicate. The email marketing is alive. You can use it. Checking email is one of the most common work habits modern people have. Every day you wake up. I think you people don't do that. But once you get into the companies, once you apply for the job start, then obviously every day you will check your emails, any call I got. So nowadays people are more often visit the emails. So they always check it. Okay. So the imagine an average worker receives 120 emails a daily. Okay, if you're working with any corporates. So to promote your product with the email marketing, you need to know how to stand out of the crowd, because hell, huge type of advertisement will be seen in your promotional specific bar. Okay, there you will find this all. So you have to be outstanding where you have to get clicked there and personalize the emails. Several surveys claim that the best day to send email is on Tuesday, and the worst day to send an email is on Thursday. That is the study which has been made on the survey basis. So people look emails more on Tuesday. That is the best option, and they don't want to see it on Thursday. Next is keep a focus on Google and Facebook. So the internet has become a significant part of our dailies. Yes, without that, we will not survive. And we communicate on social media on a regular basis, every day, status, okay, is story, reels, this, that, everything comes. And there will be people who wants to comment on it. Okay. So obviously they want to bring all the thing and they want to put it over there. So as average American spends around 40 minutes on Facebook. Now just imagine of Indians, how much they spend. Go and check it. As the community is growing more and more, brands set to foot in promoting their products online as they know that it's more likely to their customers will follow them on social media. That is the best way we can go through. So in fact, Google and Facebook control 85% of online ad growth. Okay, this lies between only these two, Google and Facebook. Next, make mobile advertising because the usage of mobile has increased a very, very, very high number. If you look at the data, 3.5 billion in 2017, and the number of people who surf internet mobile is every day going day by day, day by day, day by day, and day by day. To reach a potential audience and promote your product, optimize your ads for mobile also. So publishing mobile friendly ads help to get more clicks. So think about mobile news feed placements also. So after all, mobile advertising works well these days, and you can't miss a chance to make the most out of it. So that's plays a role because laptop very less, mobile yes very high. Display ads in mobile apps. Okay, so you just pay this attention. Mobile advertising is booming, and it is proven that 90% of the time spent on mobile devices is spent in apps which you are using. Okay, so before launching your mobile app ad campaign, learn about the formats for mobile device in order not to waste time, money, and effort. That has to be checked very nicely. Avoid using in banner autoplay. This is the people and customer always hate it. Okay, so the need has to be keep first. If you in survey, it has been said that 79% of the people negative attitude towards autoplay of the banner. Okay, if it click and play, then it's good. So autoplayed banners are very irritating. That has been given as a survey. So having an idea to use this type of advertising, make up alternative ways to promote your product if you want to improve convergence rates. So you want to get more and more customers. Create ad as targeted storefronts. So e-commerce is growing 23% year over year. Okay. And people prefer to buy goods online. And brands can kill two birds with one stone if they create ads as targeted for storefronts. That has to be keep eye on it. It's an opportunity not only promote products but increase sales as well. So it's more comfortable for customer to see the prices and make the purchase decision. They can check it and they can also go for it. And this is an example for it. Any sponsored ad with you can price is there, and if you want to shop you can visit it, especially Flipkart and Amazon, you get very much ad on this. Timing is a king. Yes, when to target, okay, when to catch the audience is always plays an important role. So if you want to get more and more traffic on your website, and you should know when audience are active, okay, especially at the night time, you can say, and the present scenario which is going on, everyone is active only on internet. Most marketers will agree that some days are better for engagement, and knowing time frame for running ad is important. Okay, so optimize your ads schedule to reach the maximum audience and get more clicks. For example, Saturday, Sunday, obviously the weekend for the corporate world. So if you can target on Thursday and Friday, especially with this ads of movie and outing, so obviously they want to click it and they want to book it. That is the best timing you can say. Work on customer first click experience. Okay, whenever some people are coming first time. Okay, so first impression are the most lasting, we can say best impression. So when it comes to running ads, having optimized landing pages is crucial step. Okay, whenever you click something, you should land in a page where exactly you are looking for. So generate best performing campaigns as your customer's experience means a lot. So to optimize the an ad for the better customer experience, pay attention to its format and context also. So obviously customer experience is key to amazing businesses because they give you feedback and which you can use for input. Search alternative ways of promotion, which you can check it. Okay, smartphones, desktop, you can use it. Okay, more and more, whichever you prefer. These are the all the optimizing techniques which you can use. Now moving further, the online advertising steps which has to be followed. Okay, so first of all, a thoughtful and well executed online advertising program will help you build awareness and drive traffic to your website quickly. Okay, because we have seen how our online advertisement works and how it is important for us. Okay, because the reason of footfall and conversion rate and getting traffic to the website, it's totally played by the role is played by online advertising. Out of all digital marketing tactics, paid ads can generate some of the fastest returns that we already studied regarding it on investment, while giving you near immediate feedback on your messaging and overall marketing approach also. So what step you can go through? The first step you have to do is develop an audience persona. So same, you have to decide the audience to whom you would like to target. Okay. All digital marketing practices, online advertising begins with your audience. Most important part, think audience, then decide your marketing plan. So think about the customer you are trying to reach. Who are they, first of all, and what demographics, whether on the basis of age, income, profession, education, location base, what on how you're going to target them, and do they fall into it, and what challenges do they have that your business can solve. So what will they type in Google when they are looking for the solution you offer? So most of the time you also search things, but you don't get when I tell the search in these words, will get the answer that will work out. The reason is what you type on Google, it shows result on that basis. So the using keywords when people search, that plays an important role that has to be studied. By answering these questions, you are developing an audience persona. So this is a handy tool that can guide all of your digital marketing practices. So you can use those things as the basis of age, income, profession, gender base, all things you can use it, and you can target the customer. So use as much information as you can to make your persona as detailed as possible. So better you understand your audience, obviously the success totally lies when you understand your audience first. So the easier it will be to choose the best method to reach them. Many businesses have more than one type of client. Don't be afraid to build more than one audience persona. Yes, you can go for it. Always go for multiple options. So avoid trying to reach too many different kinds of customers at the same times. You can go more than one, but you don't go for all. That is the biggest. Yes, you can go, but the product type should be on that basis. The last thing you want to is to dilute your messaging and make your strategy less effective. So establishing your priority customers early will ensure you marketing efforts target audience who will allow you to grow your businesses. Second thing you have to do is select your ad networks. Okay, how you are going through. So through building your audience persona, it may have become clear where your audience will look for the solution your business offers, whether they check on search engine, so whether you can target them on social media or you can target them through the email options. Okay, depends on their age and what they're looking for, what is their salary. You can target on the credit card messages can come out, loan sanctioning you can do. It depends. So when selecting an ad channel or ad networking for your online advertising, aim to meet your audience where they are and utilizing channels and strategies that will grab their attention first. Okay, so typically online ad formats will dictate which type of network are the best to use for your specific format of advertisement which you are using, whether you would like to go for a pay-per-click search ads, a display advertisement, remarketing ads, video ads, and social ads. So Google offers all these ad formats on their Google Ads network. I told you to visit it, and you have already, I think, gone through this because of the advertisement aspect. So Google search ads, for example, are highly effective platform to reach a wide variety of customer types. Okay. And by buying ads on strategic Google search keywords in your industry, you can gain exposure to highly motivated potential customers already looking for the solution your organization provides. So if you want to learn more and more regarding how Google Ads works, so you can go to the advanced advertising strategy page of Google Ads. Okay, so you can go through Google Ads, advanced advertising strategies. You can visit that page. So you can understand whole and soul over there. The next thing what you can do is determine your keywords and targeting parameters. So with the ad format and network now selected, it is time to configure and target each campaign or ad. So keywords plays an important role that we have seen, and how targeting parameters are done, that also we have seen it. So each ad network may have its own targeting and configuration methods and options available. Depends on that, we have already seen it. But you should be able to match your persona to each needed targeting metrics on what basis you are going for that. So display ads largely rely on either demographic, psychographic characteristic of your persona and their online behavior. And what is demographic and what is psychographic? We have already seen this in our integrated marketing communication chapters. Ads will commonly be targeted to geographic regions, interest, intent, topics, or demographics. So search ads also require keyword research also. So these all things you have to understand very well. So tools like Most Keyword Explorer and Google's Keyword Planner. So you can visit if you're planning for any online businesses and you want to check what type of business you are having and what keywords you would like to use, you can go through this. And these are valuable in generating keyword ideas, discovering what your potential customers are searching, and what you will build your online advertising efforts around. So these things matter. Please visit these websites to gain more and more knowledge. They will not charge you anything, but you will get a more type of, you can just have a check on it, on the businesses. So next is setup tracking. So you know what is tracking, how Google Analytics works, how conversion rates are happening, from where our the traffic is coming, okay, and how much conversion is happening, how much traffic has fall, how much time they stayed on with website, and what particular data they have seen, from which time to which time they were there. So you can all this understand through the tracking system that is Google Analytics will give you. And if you look at the quick tip, is once you are set up, try cheating a customized URL for each of your ads using Google Analytics custom campaigns. So this will allow you to see the performance of all your ads in a single dashboard, allowing for easy comparison and decision making. So you can go through this. Continuously evaluate result. Yes, the last step, obviously, you have to evaluate results. So without evaluating tool, you cannot come to a conclusion that the what best we are doing. So always check with it. Okay. So online advertising efforts are most effective when the results are continually tracked and improved. You have to check where we are lacking and what improvement can be done in that particular field of online advertising. So Google Analytics always helps whenever you are going for online advertising. So that is the best way you can check your results. So while it's tempting to check result daily, it's usually wise to let your analytics accumulate accurate trends and information over a more extended period of time. So monthly checks are sufficient for picking up broadsheets, while weekly checking can be used for time sensitivity. So there will be people who will be specifically made for this to just analyze the data of Google Analytics, how the website is performing well. Okay, so this is regarding all the steps for guiding going for international in the online advertising. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me.